Hi, welcome you all. In today's class, we are going to see Roman numerals. So, I'll just give the explanation and also the definition of the Roman numerals. This system is an old system of writing numerals. It is still used in many places. We can see use of Roman numerals in clock. Actually, Roman numerals, it is a very old system. It's a very old system of writing. Numerals means nothing but is a numbers. It's still used in many places. Many places, especially in foreign countries, they used Roman numerals still. At the same time, we can see the use of Roman numerals in clock. You can see in the clock Roman numerals. Okay, let's start the class. We are going to see the numbers first. How we are going to write 1. So this is 1. So in Roman numerals, you have to write, it's like what? I. Okay, and next one is double I. That is what? So you have to write. So it's called as 2I. Okay, next is 3I. So like 1, 2, 3. Sorry, 1, 2, 3. Then after that you have written this is 3 and this is 4. So this is I and V is called as 4. This is only 5 is called as V, and 6 that is called as V and I, and 7 and V and double I, and 8 V and triple I, and 9 again I and X. Okay. So this and this all these letters these numbers comes under in what? English alphabets. Okay, it's combined together. If you want to identify the letters, you can use the English alphabets, that is I and X, V, L, C. These are the letters we are used to write this kind of a numerals. Okay, these are all numerals only, but in this numerals we are going to use the English alphabets, especially I and V and L, C. So these are the X, these are the letters we are going to use. Okay, now so this is a 6 and double I, and and 6 means V and double I, and V and triple I is 8, and I and X, and 10 only X. I'll repeat once again. This is 1, so this is called as I. So I, okay, we can consider as I, and this is a double I, and this is triple I, and what is this? This 1, that is 1 V, that is called as, generally we say 1 and V, but it's not 1 and V, it's I and V. Okay, I and V, and this is only V, and 6 V and I, and 7 V and double I, and 8 V and triple I, and 9 I and X, 10 only X, and 20 double X, and other is 30 triple X, and 40 X and L, and 50 only L, and 60 L X. Okay, and other one is 70 L double X, and 80 L triple X, and 90 we can consider as X and C, and 100 is a C. So these are the letters. So you have to these are the letters we are using in numerals, especially. So what are the letters we are going to use? I and V and X and L and C, and okay, these are the letters. So I'll repeat once again. I first, next is V, and the next is X, next is L, next is C. So these are the how many letters? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 letters. These are the 5 letters we are using in Roman numerals frequently. So that is what. So you have to memorize the Roman numerals. So I'll repeat once again. 1 means I, 2 means double I, and 3 means triple I, and 4 means I and V, and 5 means only V, and 6 means V and I, 6 means V and I, and 7 V double I, and 8 V triple I, and 9 I and X, 10 only X. Okay, and 20 means double X, and 30 means triple X, and 40 means XL, and 50 means L, and 60 LX, and 70 L double X, and 80 L triple X, and 90 X and C, and 100 only C. So these are the Roman numerals. So you have to memorize the Roman numerals. So for this Roman numerals we are using English alphabets, that is I, V, L, X and C. I'll repeat once again. I, V, X, L and C. These are the English alphabet we are using in Roman numerals. So we are going to see some problems, especially this example, write in Roman numerals. So 69 is a number, so we are going to split 60 plus 9. If you add 60 plus 9 together, you can get 69, you can get it. So we are going to separate it, that is 60 I am going to split. So 60 I am going to split 50 plus 10 plus what? 9. So 50 mean, you know that, what is that? What is the Roman numeral? L. That is what I have written. And after that I am going to write what? 10. So LX. So that is 50 plus 10, 60 plus 9 means I and X. So this is the Roman numeral. So I have to join together L, X and IX. So this is the answer for the what? Question. I'll repeat once again, 69. So I have to write in Roman numerals. So how I'm going to write? 60 plus 9. After that I have to split 60. So how I'm going to split 50 plus 10 plus 9. 50, what is the number? L. And what? 50 plus 10. So 50 means L and 10 means I have to write X, then plus 9 means what? 1, that is 1. So not 1, I and X. So 50 means you have to write L and 10 means you have to write X, then plus, and after that 9 means I and X. So after that you have to combine together and write LX, IX. This is the answer for the 69. Next question, 98. So 98 means I am going to split 90 plus 8. 90 plus 8. So what I am going to do, 100 minus 10, you can get what? 90. 100 means, you know that, what is this? 100 means, you know, what is this? 100 means, you know that is C, and 10 means C minus 6. It is not practically possible. So what I am going to do, it is completely wrong. You should not do this. So 100 minus 10, you can get what? 90. So 90, how you are going to write? X and C, that is called as 90, plus 8 means you have to write what? 5 and 3 I together. So what is this? This is what? 8. So XC plus what? V and triple I. Then finally you have to write XC V triple I. This is the right answer for the question. So in that particular place, 100 means you have to write C and 10 means you have to write. So you can't subtract. So this is a wrong method. So you should not apply this method. So what you're going to write? 100 minus 10 means you have to get what? 90. 90, what is the numeral of, what is the Roman numeral of 90 means? X and C, we can call it as 90. Plus 8, how you are going to write? V and triple I, that is what I have written. And finally you are adding together. So XC V triple I. This is the right answer for the question. So 98 answer is XC V triple I. This is the right answer for the exact Roman numeral 98. I think so you understand the concept. So you have to memorize. So memorize only, you can what? Do the, you can apply all the what Roman numerals in the exact we have to apply all the Roman numerals in the exact question. So first you have to memorize all the numerals. So if you memorize the Roman numerals only, you can apply this kind of a sum. And also sometimes they ask the question, they given the what number name, you have to write in Roman numerals. Otherwise they given the normal number. For example 50 means you have to write in Roman numerals. How you are going to write? So 50, what is the number? This answer is L. So kindly you have to memorize everything, then only you can what? Apply in the sum.